Okay, so if you can hear me, I'm at Subway getting some subs, and I'm going to order in a second. But this is just me getting some food. And yes, I am masked up. But yes, we are about to order in a second. There's two people in front of us. Let's play rock, paper, scissors. Alright, ready to go. Tell me if you win in the comments. You want to do another one? What about now? One more. Bet you weren't expecting gun.
Customer 37, your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 1.
Okay, it's my turn. I don't know if you can hear me say that, but whatever. Hello. Do you guys have any Italian herbs and cheese bread? I wonder what this looks like. Shout out to Leaf for giving me this order that I'm about to make. All right, I need 2 footlongs, and they're both gonna be the exact same, so. They're gonna be a buffalo chicken with mozzarella cheese and toasted.
Customer 38, your shower is ready. Please proceed to shower 3.
You guys can probably see my man boobs, and I don't appreciate that, but it's whatever. It's being toasted.
One is teriyaki chicken, the other one's ham.
The other one's ham?
Yeah. Chicken one is tasted, the ham is. One on both.
Alright, so some baby spinach leaves. Some bell peppers. Some banana peppers. Some black olives. And then can I get salt and pepper? And then I want Chipotle Southwest. And then mayonnaise. And Sri Racha. And that's it. And I also have a coupon. Yeah. No thanks. All right, thank you. You too. That coupon just saved me $5. That's how you coupon. All right, now we got to go back home, do feed the animals, and then it's back to other things. All right, I will see you when I get there. Almost hit a person. Well, I just fed the cats. I'm about to go feed Ado, but I'm gonna feed the chickens and the turkey first. It's a good thing I remembered to put the lid on this, otherwise I think all this food would have got ruined. Ah! Oops. I dropped some in there, some water. Oh, yeah! Nice. All right. Okay. I'm thinking that perhaps later I'll do a few short movie reviews, because I've got a few ideas for some. I recently watched Black Box, and I have a few things to say about that. Godzilla vs. King Kong came out recently. If I get the password to my friend's HBO Max account, then I'll watch that and then do a short review of it or something. So yeah, we'll do that. And I don't know what else to do yet, so maybe you'll just see it later. Who knows? Or I might just stick with the one video, me telling you what I might do, and not show you anything else after that. So yeah, anyway though, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my vacation. This video was mainly just me going to get some Subway. Yeah, so that Subway's gonna be delicious though. I can't wait to eat it. I'm about to go eat it like right now. Anyway though, thank you guys. See ya. Y'all, look at how fast, and look at how such a good boy he is. Look how fast he eats his food. And he's done. Good boy. He's a good boy.